Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna show you how to draw paper scale. So this was asked by Yashish Lumba. So today I am like, for her this video is especially, and for others also who don't know how to do it. So let's start. So the I'm making like emoji paper scale. So the things you require are like scale, pencil, a rectangular sheet of paper like of the size of your scale, and a black marker and color paper of your choice. You can take white or any, it's your choice. Guys, first of all we need to like take a paper and then our scale, and then we need to first mark it all. I'm doing like over here, like 1 centimeter, 2 centimeters, 0, 1, like that. 0. So as I have only like 15 centimeter scale, so I like marked till 15 over here. And now you can use the sketch pen or color brush, whatever you have. So over here now we need to like color a little bit of it. You're using the scale. First we need to measure how much we want to color, and then that much we are gonna color it. Just like I marked half of the scale like this, and now we need to color it. Mhm. You can use yellow color if you are making emoji one, or if you are making any princess one, then you can use that color, whatever the princess or the special thing has. And now guys, the coloring is done, or the yellow color one. You can use like tape instead of the coloring you want, but I will tell the coloring is more fun because we can like enjoy while coloring. And now we'll take one of our stickers of emoji. You can like make it on yellow color paper, and then you can stick it like that, or you can like make the sticker only. So guys, here I have like the sticker, as you can see, and now we need to stick it over here in the middle. While sticking the sticker, you can like cut off the zero if you want to, because it's for fun. So here it is guys, our emoji paper scale. It's so wonderful. Yellow emoji. I just love it. Isn't it wonderful? I'm gonna soon make emoji school kit, because we are like making like pencil topper and scale, and we even made like mood watch of emoji. So I think I'm gonna make emoji school kit also, and then I'll show it packing it in a box. So if you want that video, then comment me down in the comments box, and whatever videos you want me to make, comment in the below. And for more crazy crafts like this, paper crafts, comment me below if you want. And for more dhamakedar videos, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Stay tuned. See you all in my next video. Till then, bye bye. Love you all, guys. Really love you. Please like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to press the bell icon. And on the bell icon, after you click, don't forget to click that all button. Don't click on personalize, or else you won't get all of my notifications.